le nom de Haïti est sorti d'ici, dans ce royaume du Canada.
De père, je suis esclavagiste, mais de par ma mère, je suis descendante d'esclaves aussi.
If you have enough love to know that this situation is not because of the people, this situation is because of history. So, to free yourself from mental slavery, you have to have knowledge. You have to know your history. You have to know yourself. You have to believe in yourself, believe in your strength, believe in the divine power of God through you, of Jah Rastafari. Then you can understand the mental slavery, come back and believe that your energy add to the energy of your brothers and sisters will change the situation. Those who say, I don't want to know nothing about Africa, it's because today they are using the benefit of those Africans who struggled during slavery. You see what I mean? And so they're living on the benefit of the Maroons, you see? And now they say, oh, they don't want to know. But it's not, it's ignorance. Because the continent that everyone has always wanted to take over, it's Africa.